Courtney Williams.
Amy Fairhurst.
We are in the Foyer in Wrexham. I think it was good that the people from the Welsh Assembly came today, because I've learnt quite a lot and I'm going to vote.
I think it's good that they came today because I hardly knew anything about it, hardly anything, and I didn't know that there was 5 like people that represent North Wales or anything like that. I didn't know there was like 60 members either. I didn't know there was that many at all. And it's really interesting. It like grabbed my attention. It was really
how to vote as well now, how to get onto the voting thing online, and I will be voting.
I might not be old enough, but like I'd love to vote. Like even though I'm 16, I'd love to vote. But just because you're young doesn't mean you have you don't have a voice. Like your opinion, doesn't mean you don't have an opinion.
And you're quite mature for 16, so.
Well, a lot of people are mature. Like just because they're 16 doesn't mean they're not.
I've never voted before because I've never known what them parties what they even mean. Even though I've met Russell George and stuff, I never actually knew what he stood for, and I just never. I've had the cards through the door, but I've never been interested in it. It doesn't interest. It hasn't interested me.
No one advertises it enough. It's not spoken about that often, so no one knows anything about it.
It was never spoken about in school. All these was never spoken about when I was in school. It was always out of school, and it was what your parents told you, or which could be very opinionated, but it was never ever spoken about in school when I was there.